Pope Francis has visited the headquarters of Scholas Occurrentes, the educational project he has promoted since he was an archbishop in Argentina. Scholas is a network of schools that collaborates on initiatives both locally and internationally. Its aim is to foster dialogue and respect among young people from different cultures, countries, races, and religions. At the meeting, students from around the world shared their experiences in the program with the Pope. During the pandemic, Scholas helped students like Valerio from Italy overcome their feelings of loneliness. When he talked about what Scholas did for him, he choked up with emotion.
Mi sono messo a nudo con me stesso, con I miei sentimenti e le mie emozioni, per poter affrontare me stesso e poter finalmente sorridere in modo genuino. Scholas mi ha ascoltato, mi è stata accanto.
Scholas' network has spread across 5 continents, and public institutions have even gotten involved. The Italian health minister was present at the meeting and gave the Pope a gift made by his daughters.
Che bello.
Scholas schools virtually joined the meeting from Australia, the United States, and Spain. The Pope also fielded questions from the students, such as what he thought about the lack of trust in politicians today.
Ma il test sulla politica è la domanda sulle guerre. Il test sulla onorabilità di una nazione per me è: tu fai le armi per le guerre, tu favorisci le guerre, tu la tua ricchezza la fai vendendo le armi perché altri si ammazzano. E lì sapremo come una nazione è moralmente sana.
Because of a connection problem, another of the Pope's comments was lost. He expressed his disappointment in priests who bless weapons, since they are instruments of death. Pope Francis thanked the volunteers and organizers behind Scholas and all those who support it for their efforts in the project. He said it was key to remind the world of the value of generosity because it builds bridges and fosters dialogue.
Gracias por arriesgar. Si Scholas no se comprende sin esta actitud de arriesgar, de ir siempre más allá. Porque solo arriesgando se puede vivir la gratuidad, solo arriesgando se llega a ese tercer nivel de la Universidad del Sentido, que es celebrar. Sin el riesgo no se celebra.
The First Ladies of Brazil, Chile, Honduras, Panama, and the Dominican Republic all attended the meeting virtually. The First Lady of Argentina, Fabiola Yáñez, represented them in person.